If you see just one ant, know that thousands are probably nearby. Ants most often enter houses and gardens because they are searching for easily available food and water. A tiny crumb of bread, a drop of juice, or a sweet residue on the table is enough for a scout ant to find the source and leave a scent trail that soon brings the entire colony. In the garden, ants are often attracted by aphids because they feed on the sweet liquid the aphids produce. Warm weather and drought also push them closer to homes because they can find moisture and more stable living conditions there. In this video, I will show you how to get rid of them without using poisons or chemicals. The first ingredient is cloves, which I will crush. They have an extremely strong smell that ants cannot tolerate. It is often enough to place a few whole cloves in places where ants enter the house, near windows, doors, or cracks in the wall. Their scent confuses ants and interrupts their scent trail, so they often stop coming very quickly. But we are going to take it one step further and make it even stronger. After crushing them, I will place them in 200 milliliters of hot water. One of the ingredients we will use later is something many people have never seen, and it makes this mixture special. The second ingredient is garlic powder because it contains powerful natural compounds that insects find difficult to tolerate. It is especially rich in sulfur compounds, the most well-known being allicin, the substance that gives garlic its characteristic strong smell. Besides ants, it also repels other pests such as aphids. Many people do not know that ants feed on the honeydew produced by aphids and even protect them from predators. If you enjoy useful tips like this, subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. Now I will add 200 milliliters of vinegar, which is one of the simplest natural ways to repel ants. It has a very strong and sharp smell. Ants rely on their highly sensitive sense of smell to find food and return to their colony. When they encounter an area that smells like vinegar, the strong scent completely disrupts their orientation. Because of this, ants often avoid such places and look for another path away from that area. That is exactly why vinegar is often used for wiping floors, kitchen surfaces, or places where ants enter the house. The final ingredient is neem powder. It is made by grinding the seeds and leaves of the neem tree, a plant that originates from India and has been used for centuries to protect plants from pests. It contains many natural compounds that act as natural repellents for various insects. You can buy it in most well-stocked health food stores, and people also use it for other purposes. Leave everything to sit for a few hours, then strain it through a cloth or gauze. If you want, you can dilute it with another half liter of water. Spray it wherever you see ants. Write in the comments where you are watching us from, and see you in the next video.